Here we have a Beechnut antique. It's one of our city shoes again. On these ones, to care for them, just need a bit of brown polish. Go round with your sponge. Every couple of times you wear them, just put a bit of polish on it. It protects them from all weathers. And of course, it makes them look beautiful. Brush them up with your rag. Any old rag will do. With these as well, with the leather, because the leather edges, they do wear and tear in the weather. Just get a little bit of your brown polish on your cloth and go around the edges and put the colour back in. And as you can see, as good as new again. Beautiful.